OLP, direct teaching and OLP teaching. This video shows how to make teaching in Simple PP Pendant. Simple PP Pendant is the simple version of virtual pendant for teaching and playback of simulation. Simple PP Pendant or dialog box displays shows like this. Now we are going to start with direct teaching with Simple PP Pendant. Now click on the controller tab, click on the Simple PP button. The Simple PP dialog box appears. In a cell with multiple controllers, it is necessary to select the controller to add it with the ribbon before operating the Simple PP dialog box. Now we start to create the job in Simple PP. Select New to create a job. Job Create dialog box appears. Give the job name, for example, Simulation 1. Select the control group if required, then hit OK. Now go to Move, which is interpolation setting. Then dialog box appears. Gives the instructions as per requirement. Enter the robot speed with instructions, then hit OK. Now we are going to add the points where we require the robot motion. Now by the help of operation handle, we make the program. This is how my initial home position point which is added. Now I am adding the other point and then third point, and I am going to copy the last point. Now I have added 4 points. Now we are going to play the simulation through Simple PP like this, and we have another option to play the simulation, that is from Simulation tab, Reset and Play. In Simple PP Pendant, you can directly cut, copy, paste and edit the instructions. This is how simple to make program in Modosim EG VRC with Simple PP Pendant. What is OLP teaching? OLP teaching is a tool that simplifies the robot teaching by moving the robot to a target position in just single click on the object. OLP dialog box appears as shown below. Now we are going to start with OLP teaching. Select the Home tab, click on the OLP which is adjacent to Position panel. Now go to the Controller tab and open the Simple PP Pendant. Now give the job name and go to Move, that is interpolation setting. Do the instruction setting with relative speed. Now we are going to add the first point as initial home position. Now we are going to add another point with OLP. Click the Pick Enable in the OLP panel and then click on the object. Now the operation object is moved to the position XYZ of the target point. You can now change the orientation by the help of position panel in XYZ, RX, RY, RZ like this, and add the point. Now go to the third point and follow the same procedure like this. Like this the program is generated. So this is OLP function in Modosim EG VRC.